Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install a popular Microsoft apps on your Android. So let's get started by open the Play Store and try to search Link to Windows. So you can install this app, Link to Windows by Microsoft Corporation. But before that, please sign in or create Microsoft account first on your PC or on your laptop. And after you make sure you already have the account, try to sign in on your laptop or your PC, then you can open this app and synchronize with your PC or your laptop. Here you can stay connected on your PC or laptop with this app, take and make the call, keep up with your chats, stay on top of your notifications, share your photo, access your phone app from your PC. So here, for example, this is the interface of Link to Windows app. So you can install the Microsoft apps, the popular one, by tap three dots at the top of your screen. This one, discover the best Microsoft apps by tap on popular Microsoft apps. Here there is Outlook, Launcher, Microsoft Edge, web browser, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.